Kaizer Chiefs are on the verge of securing a key transfer target, with Bafana Bafana winger Oswin Apolis reportedly close to finalizing a move to Nigeria. According to sources, negotiations between the Soweto Giants and the Polokwane City attacker have reached an advanced stage, reigniting a long-standing interest that dates back nearly 2 years. Amakosi first tabled an offer for Apolis ahead of the current campaign, but the proposal was turned down by Polokwane City. Despite the initial rejection, Amakosi have remained persistent in their pursuit, and the move now appears to be gaining serious traction ahead of the upcoming season. Although Apolis has had a relatively subdued season at the club level, netting just twice for Rise and Shine, his performances for national team have elevated his profile. Since the 2023 Africa Cup of Nations, he has emerged as a vital player for Bafana Bafana, showcasing his attacking flair and consistently on the international stage. A source close to the deal confirmed to Soccer Laduma that talks are progressing well, and that what we believe is that the talks involving Apolis and Kaizer Chiefs are at an advanced stage, indicating that a formal announcement could be imminent. Apolis may not be the only notable exit from Polokwane City this off-season. Fullback Tabang Maduludi is also expected to depart with Orlando Pirates, reportedly in pole position to secure his signature. If both transfers go through, it could see Soweto rivals Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates each land a signing from the Limpopo-based side, a move that could significantly reshape both squads. Polokwane City head coach Puti Mohafe has remained tight-lipped on specific departures, but acknowledged that the off-season changes are inevitable and that every team needs to strengthen, and that means you have to let some players go. He added that transfer speculation is part and parcel of football, and the club would not obstruct players seeking better opportunities. Club icon Dr. Kumalo had previously hinted that Apolis was keen on a move to Chiefs before the season began. While talks stalled then, the renewed momentum suggests the transfer could finally materialize, fulfilling a long-term goal for both player and club. Should the deal be completed, Apolis would bring much-needed pace, creativity and unpredictability to a Kaizer Chiefs side that has struggled to find attacking consistency throughout the Betway Premiership campaign. His addition will also serve as a statement of intent from the club, which is looking to rebuild and restore its former dominance after yet another underwhelming season. With the transfer window fast approaching, both Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates appear poised to bolster their squads significantly as Apolis edges closer to a natural switch and Maduludini's move to Pirates. Fans can expect a flurry of activity in what promises to be a transformative off-season of South African football. All eyes will be on Kaizer Chiefs in the coming weeks as supporters eagerly await confirmation of whether the club can finally land their long-term target and bring Oswin Apolis to the black and gold. Meanwhile, with another poor season in the bank for Amakosi, there has been much speculation about the future of Amakosi coach Nasruddin Nabi. There's no hiding from the fact that finishing outside the top 8 for a second season in a row is nowhere near the standards expected of the Soweto Giants. With Tunisian Nabi tasked with leading Chiefs at the beginning of the season, he spoke about a long-term plan for the club from the outset. However, while Amakosi were not expected to contend for the title, it surely won't sit well. There has been little improvement in the league as their ninth place in the Betway Premiership indicates. Even though Nabi did manage to lead the team to their first piece of silverware in decade as they beat Orlando Pirates in the Nedbank Cup final earlier in May, it has not pulled the wool over the eyes of its supporters. Speaking exclusively to Soccer Laduma, an insider at Chiefs revealed that Nabi would be joining the club on their pre-season camp in Europe, and that for now we know that the coach will be joining the team on the pre-season tour and camp. Yes, to a certain extent we say his future is not yet clear, but for the pre-season training I am certain he will apparently be joining them. He has suggested some players who he would like to sign, and he has to be there to see that happen. That's where things are believed to be right now. Earlier this week, former Bafana Bafana skipper Neil Tovey said it was definitely not a good season for his former club. Tovey, who played the Chiefs for 9 years in the 1990s, said finishing so low down on the table was simply not good enough for the club. Meanwhile, the Bafana Bafana mentor, Hugo Bros has named regulars such as Orlando Pirates quartet Nkosinathi Sibisi, Patrick Masangwanye, Talente Mbata, and star Lobehile Mofokeng. Dion van Rooyen alongside youngsters Mbegezeli Mbokazi, Mohau Nkotha, and Sipiwa Silepe all complete the Buccaneers contingent as they receive their maiden call-ups. With Mamelodi Sundowns players all excuses from these international friendlies due to their participation in the highly anticipated 2025 FIFA World Cup, you would imagine that the players from Kaizer Chiefs would get a look in, but Bros continues to shut the door for anyone from Naturena. Bros previously named Amakosi captain Yusuf Mart, Bruce Vuma, Mduduzi Shabalala, but neither of them made the cut. The last time Chiefs were represented in the senior national team was when defender Rashwin Dotli featured in an African Cup of Nations qualifier last November against South Sudan. Bafana Bafana will face Tanzania on June 4 at the new Peter Mokaba Stadium and will host Mozambique 2 days later at the Loftus Versfeld Stadium. The players that he selected are Ronaldo Lina, Sikukune FC, Talente Mbata, Orlando Pirates, Ricardo Goss, SuperSport United, Damulelo Mapungule, Polokwane City, Sipo Chain, Orlando Pirates, Simpiwa Silepe, Orlando Pirates, Sydney Mobi, SuperSport United, Napolis, Polokwane City, Zamukelo Gabini, Mold FK, Patrick Masonganye, Orlando Pirates, Tabo Moloisane, Stellenbosch FC, Ashley Cupido, Stellenbosch FC, Nkosinathi Sibisi, Orlando Pirates, Relobehile Mofokeng, Orlando Pirates, Kulumani Ndamani, GS Galaxy, Zebank Moremi, Amazulu FC, Mbegezeli Mbokazi, Orlando Pirates, Yanele Mbutuma, Richards Bay FC, Dion van Rooyen, Orlando Pirates, Mohau Nkotha, Orlando Pirates, Fawaz Basadin, Stellenbosch, Sindaqelo Kwayiba, Chiba United FC, Luke Leroux, IFK Vanamo, Sweden. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.